good evening, and thank you for being able to make it despite the Ganpati madness and the traffic and all of that. I know the traffic's crazy, but thank you so much for being able to come. I have known Shraddha as always. I think I've become a bit of a veteran now, ever since she was a little baby. So I have been given every right to scold her, shout at her, and all of that. And she very patiently listens to all my gyan that I give her. I first actually, when Shraddha decided to be an actor, we were all for it, and then she signed a movie. And I had not met her for a long time. And then she came to this nomination night party at Filmfare. And she was quiet. This is about 5 years ago. About 5 years ago.
Thank you so much for being here. It's nice to see all of you here. And the biggest thank you to you for all your wonderful words. First and foremost, Jitesh. And for this most prestigious opportunity which I've been waiting for the longest time. I've been very patient. I think I've had my share of tuitions in being patient right from the beginning. So patiently waited and waited for this moment to get my own solo Filmfare cover. And so when he called me and he was like, Shraddha, I want to feature you on the cover. If I could, I would have done 7 backflips and jumped for 1 hour. But so I was that excited, and now finally I'm on the cover of Filmfare, so I'm on top of the world. And so as he said rightly, we've known each other through the spell of patience that I have had also. We've known each other, and he's been there, and he's been actually one of the handful of people who believed in me consistently from the start. And when everyone was saying ki, her movies are not doing well, so think of somebody else. He was the one who said that, and like a pillar, he's just stood by me, saying that you're going to make it. Is what, when you hear something like that, when you're down and out, it's really encouraging. And when you hear it from those handful of people, and him being one of them, it really stays with you forever. So. That's how I got to know Jitesh, and that faith in him, it's something that has been unshaking and unwavering, and it's been one of my most memorable experiences, one of the most fun shoots to be at, and we shot and we had a great time. It was just like shooting at home, a very fun, enjoyable atmosphere. And I find myself on the cover of Filmfare, which is going to be one of the most special things and memorable things in my life. And the whole team of Filmfare was actually there. Everybody who is here, everybody who has made this moment possible and so special. Anuradha, Vivek, everyone here. Radhita, everyone. Thank you so much for having this faith and having me on this, on top of the world. I think quite different. Film and fashion magazine there. Although this one we had fun with fashion. We have a fashion-y feel to this. So it's fashion and film combined. So it's an interesting, togetherness. But a fashion magazine is definitely more all-out fashion and more fashion-centric. But in terms of I feel like every magazine comes up with their own unique concepts, and they see also, they want to do something different with you and something exciting with you, and at the same time showcase what they would like to showcase, trends and what's in and what's happening and all of that. So I have a lot of fun on photo shoots, especially because you get to dress up and you get to have fun and play characters also in front of the camera, so it's a lot of fun. I had a great time on this one also. And this one particularly because I don't think I've been photographed this way or been seen this way. So it's a new avatar Yeah. As I said, I'm very happy that I'm a patient person. It's taught me a lot of patience by default. I'm glad I went through that. I think life is full of ups and downs, and for any profession, be it if you're an actor or even in your personal life or anything, I mean, ups and downs do make you stronger, right? So I'm actually glad that I went through that up and down, up and down. It was so Ashiki, yes, definitely was a turning point. Ashiki 2 was definitely a turning point. One Friday and everything just changed. So I was like, Arey, this is good. It's good, yeah. I mean, I wasn't like expecting something so spectacular and drastic. So I was very happy about that. But I was calmly happy. Yeah. अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं तो सारा क्रेडिट इन्हें जाता है बिल्कुल क्योंकि he wanted to do something अलग with me, so the whole credit goes to Jitesh for this new avatar and the whole team of Filmfare actually क्योंकि बहुत excited थे कि नया अवतार है और माहौल ही ऐसा था शूट का कि आप कह रहे हो कि अच्छी लग रही तो थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई गेस दैट आवर एनर्जी ट्रांसलेटेड ऑन टू द कवर तो ग्रेट है